Funky D. Today, Funky D not dey happy at all for waiting in the year, for waiting day, and for waiting in the sea. Because it don't take when Funky D they tell una, say that person, when they say that they call Buhari when did that place, na Jubril. Sure you understand? Funky D not just dey happy. So I want tell my viewers and the people from my country and the people living inside my country today, Nigeria. I want tell on today, waiting for Kidi, don't see again. And this one consign Abubakar Atiku or Atiku Abubakar. I don't know waiting that one they call himself, but brothers and sisters, make you not see waiting Atiku tell APC and APC government, including Jubri Muhammadu Buhari. Atiku to presidency address issue of whether Buhari is clone or not. Okay. Atiku Abubakar, former vice president and presidential flag bearer of PDP, People Democratic Party, has told the presidency and the federal government to leave him alone and to focus their attention on addressing the concerns over the identity of President Muhammadu Buhari. Speaking in a chat with Daily Independent, Atiku, who spoke through Shegun, spokesman of his campaign organization, said the nation of the world are at liberty to give or to refuse visas to anyone they deem fit and do not need the federal government's opinion on the issue. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, Funky D won Asuna. Which day, which time here, when be Atiku Abubakar himself defected from APC to PDP? Which time Atiku comot from APC to PDP? It never take. So, if Atiku, when we say in the APC before, when in with President Muhammadu Buhari, that is the late one. And even this Jubri, because I don't still see the picture when two of them take together. If Atiku, when they contest now under PDP, if him go open mouth, say make APC go address anything concerning Jubri and Muhammad Buhari identity, you go know say this matter when they talk, say this Jubri not be the real Buhari. You go know say this man is truly a foreigner. And I don't think when many of them they make this kind of comment secretly. We don't see the one when Okocha or Korocha don't do. We don't see the comment when Amosu don't do. Now, Atiku. So, this thing, this one alone, when Atiku open mouth talk, it don't reach people of Nigeria. No, see, this man when did there, not be Buhari. Say na Jubri al-Sudani from Sudan. Because, Atiku now don't openly they question the identity of Muhammad Buhari Jubri, which Funky D don't tell no say Atiku himself know this matter. Atiku himself, in fact, it be like saying na him make can defect or the camp enter PDP. Now, he can be presidential flag bearer of PDP. In now they challenge Muhammadu Buhari and the APC. In fact, Jubri Al-Sudani and his APC made them go talk about the identity of Jubri. Made them just come tell us, come tell people of Nigeria who they there. Who sit down for that Aso Rock, the #1 office in that country. Funky D say he won't know, and if Funky D no know, Funky D no go leave that Buhari and that Jubri for waste. If people of Nigeria no know, we no go rest. So we demand to know the person. Funky D say in demand to know the person when they that Aso Rock. Not be that one when La Muhammad they go the defense say na person is supposed to know, he know this, how it can be say not be Buhari, when they look, where is that your Buhari? When not they come outside to speak for himself. Where is that your Buhari when the wife not they follow do anything? Because everybody know now say Aisha Buhari not there for inside Aso Rock again for a very, very long time. Even now this one went Funky D. They tell with people. Aisha Buhari herself, when be say na him know the husband when they marry before. Don't come tell us say he not understand the man when they inside that Aso Rock again. No, say that man not be husband. Say that man use different people. When he not know, when not even know the manifesto of APC. Can't use them gather body, put them for position, and then themselves they not know their job. So, if somebody's wife now, President Muhammadu Buhari's wife, don't come and come tell us that man not be Buhari, what do you expect? Why is it that Nigerian people, they still they glamour, they talk saying that Buhari did? I don't like this Funky. This say, ain't not like this kind of argument. In wife don't talk him. Okorocha don't talk him. Amosu don't talk him. Although Okorocha and Amosu, they never open their mouth, talk within the one tongue. One Aso Rock will take descend on top all of them. So this article of it now don't come out yesterday. They tell APC people, made them go check the identity of Buhari, made them leave him alone. With that one himself, they come to him, he get another big problem on his own. All this thing, we won't be Nigerian people, we know them. Why are we still calling Atiku and Buhari? Atiku never even contest. Everybody don't know say he get big begay with American people. And this thing don't take when they chop this money. When be over $40 million when put on for Wahala. Plus that fine house when that man buy with our money, the house they for America. Now he cannot go that house because American people say they don't need them there. Already, we won't be Nigerian people. We know say Atiku is a very, very corrupt person. We still they won't vote Atiku. I see the Funky this say instead they see people they talk about Atiku. Atiku self not supposed to be air in any television channel. Because he's very, very corrupt. He's a big corrupt politician. So, Funky D say Atiku know about this same thing. Also Banjo, that one another corrupt fool. When be say the man corrupt, money when that man don't embezzle, I make enough fit come and talk say then change Jubri to Buhari. Now him make Osubanjo no finya because the cabals want Osubanjo well. Then tell us if you nyan, we go open your ass to the world. Although Funky D and in crew, they don't already know what in there. Because also Banjo go carry billions upon billions, put on for pocket. Now I make enough fit tell Nigerian people who be that person or the person when they inside Aso Rock. Because they don't tell them, the Kabas don't want us if in yan the matter in own don't finish. If in yan Kaba go nyan in own. Now the matter when they there, when it come be say you and I now, this is say also banjo, no fit talk the matter. But Funky D say time they come, also banjo go tell us waiting day. Also banjo must to open a mouth talk how this thing waka. When it concern Nigeria give Sudanese people. So, ladies and gentlemen, Funky D say Atiku can't talk this thing now. What do you think? If Atiku know say Nari Buhari dey in that position, at fear no go let Atiku say that kind of thing. Say make APC go check Buhari identity. And this Buhari, the late one, na him brother. They all come from the same area, they are all Fulanis. Before Atiku go open mouth, mention this kind of thing, say me then go check that Buhari. You think say if Nari Buhari, fear go let Atiku talk that kind of thing? Atiku cannot say it. But Atiku himself don't know. In fact, Funky D say Atiku know this matter long time. Even say in not there among the Kabas, for example, in not there among the Kabas when do the thing. Maybe after they don't do the thing, he was informed. Because how can you tell me, say person when you are and they eat every day for one table, suddenly the person when be 80 years turn to 40 years, I think could not see that thing. So all these people were being paid to hide the secret. They were all being paid. Even that Oshobanjo was paid billions to hide, to bury the secret, so that they will be embezzling our money blindly. So that they will then go see chance take chop our money where rich ground. When you and I no go no. But you know, when God say yes, nobody can say no. This time around, Atiku, Funky D say Atiku talk this thing yesterday. And now, the people of Nigeria, it is left for you people to decide who is there. But Funky D don't make up in mind. Say, that person, when they there, not be Buhari, na Jubri from Sudan. Yeah. And now so all of them, Funky D don't tell them before. Say, now so all the whole APs, even Arufai, the governor of Kaduna State, even this man, the Minister of Information, Mohammed Lai. That Lai Mohammed, he must come to confess. Because of recent, Funky D don't say, this Lai Mohammed, he done the blow lie again, to give people of Nigeria. Say Buhari, they remember everything. If not be Buhari, why they remember how he take work in army. Something one or don't teach them. Even if you not look where Buhari, that Buhari when they say na Buhari na ended the Jubri. If we go somewhere, because I don't see maybe one place, not the one place I don't see where the microphone self when they take talk, not be that man they speak. It be like say he get something, he got machine when they put for inside, when they speak, when they talk the thing with the Buhari voice. 100%. Make una observe fine. Make una observe this thing very, very well. Funky D don't observe and so I don't tire to the observe. I say, man. These people, they are deadly for power. Even that Atiku, I don't tell them. Atiku cannot even travel to America. Person when be say, won't vote for. He already have a very big criminal case. Number one country in the world, America, United States of America, FBI, they look for that man they call Atiku. Still won't go vote for him. All these parties when don't dey. This party now when they don't dey now, say then they there. Una not fit choose young guys when una go vote. Some people they say they know Atiku. Atiku is not a corrupt man. Who told you that? I don't know whether now this worm don't chop their brain. Who told you that Atiku is good? Atiku is good for what? Now it make me sometimes they blame the journalists when they ask on a question because they're not in fact those people when they ask question I know say they don't give una small money, make una go stand where they get a newspaper, when una go they talk nonsense for them. They don't pay una to the praise Atiku and Buhari. 500 when they give una. I've been 100 naira and when this will be given, I don't know, they go outside, they talk nonsense, say Buhari good, Atiku good. Where Buhari went good? Buhari, when you they look for there, when you see saying na Buhari, you not get eye. Say that man when they a young man. Abi you not get brain to think when somebody wife go come and come tell you say no, the man when they with now not being husband. They ask Sorok when the woman they leave, the woman not there again. All this thing you put 1 + 1 and you know 1 + 1 you go know say man. Even before you put 1 + 1 you don't know the answer already. You don't need to dig too much on this issue. Number one, Aisha Buhari don't confess that man when they there not being there again. Number two, Aisha Buhari when supposed they with her husband in Aso Rock, they enjoy life with her husband. Aisha Buhari not there again. Abi you think say Aisha Buhari mind you take come off for that? No. Another one again now. Atiku don't come talk. They question APC, made them go ask, made them go find out who them put there first. Made them tell Nigerian we won't be Nigerian. See the man when we put there. See that man not be Buhari. Atiku don't tell them. This one alone never reach you know say because if na Buhari did there, Atiku can never make that comment. Never. So because Atiku know say person when they not be Buhari, now I make them because APC people they attack him. Say if he go America. Say then season visa, if he get American visa. Now I can't tell them say man, make them leave him alone. No. Made them not just talk the matter. Say he go open their nyash, and he really open their nyash. He tell them say, made them go look down, made them go talk about the double identity when they inside Aso Rock. That is Atiku's comment. APC bow now. Although Funky D say all of them know waiting day. When breeze blow, we go all see that far on nyash. As it they ready to. These people, they are not good, they are evil people. Anybody when they vote Buhari Jobri, you are on your own. Anybody when open eye, go still vote Atiku, when you know say Atiku is a corrupt man, you are on your own. Shall you get? Funky D. I say that man when they there, na Jobri. That man when they that Aso Rock, not be Buhari. In name na Jobri Al Sudani. If anything when you like, when you want reason about my analysis, I don't tell you. I not care. Because I know that man when they there, Funky say he no say that man when they there, na Jobri, not be Buhari. He's a foreigner. Now, then say then they fight corruption. Then they don't tell us before say they don't defeat Boko Haram. Yesterday again, Boko Haram don't take another 30 life. Military people. Our army people, our soldier. Na him Boko Haram then they kill like foul. And this person, when they say, when don't talk say Ingo help them, Ingo buy this, still our Boko Haram, our military people, na ordinary hand that they go take fight Boko Haram. I never see this kind of thing. Where be say now Boko Haram supposed to they run for army. Now it can't be opposite. Now army people when they don't train army, and then they run for Boko Haram because Nigerian government not agree give them weapon. Because they won't scatter the country even before the election, so that we go comot mind from Jubri. Funky D still repeat them again. Funky D no go comot mind until Jubri is arrested and prosecuted in international court. Then they call them ICC, International Criminal Court. Jubri must be probed. Jubri must be captured live. You not get anywhere where they go. Live jail. Even if say... In fact, I just pity all these our ministers, I be them be governor, this RFI. They among people when they cite this Jubri. Just like even the senators. Because all of them don't carry big money. Shocking them. See, they're not going yarn. Now, uno eyes don't open. Funky did not say uno I go come confess one after the other. Soonest. And very, very soon, before 2019, Funky did say this thing Buhari must to come out to come and address us. Make we see this man when they hide. If na better person, as soon as the talk say in come from Sudan, say not be the real Buhari, he go jump come out, say na me be Buhari. So waiting in get when in the hide. Waiting make Buhari not they come out. Waiting make Buhari not they go conference. Waiting make Buhari not they address the nation. Okay, Funky D won't give an example. Look at President Trump. Look at this caravan thing now when they happen in America, when many people come America with leg. President Trump, they come out 24 hours, they answer question. With a lot of cameramen, a lot of journalists. The man, they march like soldier, they come out like soldier. Now so, Funky D, they challenge Muhammadu Buhari alias Jubri to come stand and speak to his people.
About the killings.
Even about the, in fact, about the killing. Make Jubri come out, make the world know say, not be Buhari they there. Evidence full for grant. Evidence full for everywhere for this man. And he no go jump and pass. He no go jump and pass. Share you get. Funky D. Funky D. Funky D say evidence full everywhere. You tell us say they go Paris, they not see you for Paris. They not see any picture of Paris, any picture of where you and President Trump they shake hand or Macron they shake hand. You not go there. Femi Adesina jump out say, oh no go there. They say when Jubri reach there, the dressing code na him fear this man because na suit everybody wear. Jubri said tell them say he tell the Kaba say he no go. Now from there Jubri run. Jubri run away. They no follow them because he no go dress because he no want me to see that in full hair because that man na full hair in get, you know, na full hair in get. Everybody know that. Funky D, ladies and gentlemen, make una dey subscribe, make una dey press that button. Share this my video again to Jubri, to Al Sudani alias Buhari. Share and give. What did they call this man again? Arufai. Share and give this Minister of Information what they call Lai Mohammed. And they make everybody when they that are so rock, they watch this video. This is Funky D. Make una show me my real Buhari or the Jubri. Make we know see na Jubri. See you get. If una be better people, una won't win election. Una know say na Buhari did there. Buhari for don't come out since. Tell Funky D say see me na me be this. Now so honest person. they live life. Okay, if you go and I go ask you, maybe you tell me say Funky D, not be you now, you are not the Funky D. I go prove unto you say, na me be that Funky D. So why come be say this simple matter? Our journalists them, our corrupt television station them, our what do they call them, newspapers them, they not they talk all this matter. And if you say na Buhari dey there, bring and come out, make he speak to us, make we do on that in DNA. You understand? Because if you are talk now, you know everything, they speak language, we know say una don't coach them, right? So the DNA and I go conclude everything. Nowhere when they run, they go. R5. Nowhere. Funky D say, you ain't going nowhere. Including this Minister of Information, La Mohammed. I don't know who give on a position. I don't know how to take reach there. And Funky D say no. Funky D. Subscribe, man. Share my video, man. Alright? Bye.